Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the DiDi application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the DiDi application on your device. And if you haven't logged out from your account, you will directly be taken into the home page from which you can access various different rights. Now, if you wish to log out, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Settings. And now you will see the sign out button. If you tap on this, you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to sign out from your account. You can tap on the confirm button and you will be logged out from your account right away. Once you have been logged out, you will be taken back into the home page from which, if you wish to log back in again, you can either use your phone number or your Facebook and Google accounts to once again log back into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the DiDi app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.